Okay. Kami na naman, ni Ate
Yes.
Jasmine.
Kami na naman. Okay. And the view outside the room. This is our house for 3 days and 2 nights. Okay. Medyo na kay paminawan ng sound sa waves. Grabe ka siya ka, excited na mata tomorrow morning. Ay, sa Victor's room na.